Hello and welcome to our presentation. We are Team 24, the UCL MotionInput Compatibility Layer team, part of the UCL MotionInput version 3.2 group at University College London's Department of Computer Science. Our project aims to breathe new life into existing Kinect games by making them compatible with ordinary web cameras. As a result, both veteran and novice users will have the opportunity to enjoy their favorite Kinect titles once again, as well as to explore and experience new Kinect games, as well as non-Kinect designed games with Kinect-like movements. To achieve this, we have developed a compatibility layer that allows users to substitute the gestures required by Kinect applications with the ones developed by the MotionInput group at UCL. Over the past 3 years, more than 150 computer science students at UCL have contributed to the development of various gesture recognition models utilizing 2D cameras. Our team has analyzed the functionality provided by the original Kinect software and have successfully replaced some of its functionality with the gesture recognition models developed by these students. Our compatibility layer goes beyond just Kinect games, as it allows users to play any game that can be played with a keyboard, providing them with an even greater selection of games to choose from. In order to better categorize the compatibility layer we have built a number of Windows applications, with each Windows application allowing users to experience different genres of Kinect games. Our first application for driving games allows users to play racing games by holding both hands as if they're holding a steering wheel. Users can then steer the car left and right by rotating their hands, accelerate and decelerate by pressing their thumbs, and even shift gears by pressing their pinkies. This gives users the flexibility to play any racing game they would like without having to buy expensive peripherals such as a steering wheel or a Kinect camera. Our second application for mouse and keyboard games to be played with your hands allows users to map hand gestures such as index finger pinch or a peace sign in UCL MotionInput to specific keyboard keys. Users are also given the freedom to specify the hand with which each gesture is to be performed, as well as a type of key press generated by each gesture. Users are also given the ability to create custom speech commands and map them to keyboard keys. These features allow users to personalize UCL MotionInput based on the game they are playing, as well as their unique accessibility requirements. Our third application looks at full-body workouts and enables users to configure hotspots in various spatial positions across their screen and use them to control their in-game character. Each hotspot is triggered by a body part specified by the user. This makes this application especially good for fighting games where hotspots can be configured to stimulate punches, high knees, or even kicking. This application turns any arcade classic into a fun and challenging workout. The extensive customizability offered by this application makes it especially accessible for users with disabilities who might want to play games using specific body parts. Thank you for watching. We hope that you will try out our software when it is released on the Windows Store in the near future. For more information, please visit touchlesscomputing.org.